when you announced, when the flag came out, we saw Shagzy as a part of it.
Yes.
People were like, hey, these two people, are they deliberately doing this or what?
Sometimes what we see is not how it is. Then I said there's big, but what catch up said they are cool.
I called Strongman myself. Shatta, I didn't call Shatta, say, Rapperholic. Shatta Nankasa. So what can I do to support?
When it comes to entertainment, there should be a bit of rivalry. So that everyone agree there, Bibi Sana you see here. Imagine on the stage, Blacko, Sark, Stonebwoy, Shatta on one stage doing the biggest show in Africa. Massive.
Because there's been so many times that it's like I'm not even myself. I don't feel like singing, but I have to go and dance for people. I'll go on stage, go and dance for people. I'll go on stage, go and dance for people, and come back home and be crying to my mom.
Also, hey, Emma. Xposed GH, the name is Ben Bruce, baby. I'll be a Shaka Siena, Emma. It's entertainment time, yes. Sark, the landlord, he's in the news. Rapperholic, I say coming back to my roots, especially Kumasi, a Honofi, and to say I'm coming back to my roots. Yet, I first Sark and Shatta, they are bitter enemies. But I say, Missy, ya, sure not Sark de Pacoyano, Shatta and the Shazia, the transport to no the boy, Sark, apart from that, he's going to perform on the show. Let's go and listen to the one we come back, who will speak.
Ebimu bisa say Omante Stonebwoy and Blacko. Almost your own
So most of the artists, we were home timing.
Okay.
We can't say we reach out to almost everybody, but and almost everybody I want to know. I'm more cramped to me. Only and then I also. Now I was all the metoso. One thing I do is okay. Come me abo be din that be men can. Oh be nya edina me person be born or china.
And so bravo eba.
That be mankasa. And I am a din say me frɛ obi some be ya de mame. Ebi mo ha me no mo sa no afre, but most people now wait say ebia ono to me hit it me. Oh unia, I would like to support. Then Shatta is the same thing. Shatta, I didn't call Shatta say unia Rapperholic. Shatta nankasa say or started with Shaxi. So what can I do to support? Ono de ne brand no to me casa me de na me Shatta na.
Shatta na de casa na ma.
Casa ni na. The better artists ni na no na e ano sanka say obese oba. Or Shatta casa oba no ma cast ko say nya sinketo so no kasa so oba.
Ntuni Shatta de na ye hunu wa bonten no na ti say.
And it just die basic. Me my a consumer of music or a fan of the entertainment industry. I know how it is. Especially at the same yes Lumba ne Kudinchi match the attitude sansem na okọ to mo so mo to assembly ni ho. But the television ya kan ho na ma ejuma ne ye de nti ya ncheche mo so ye on my set. So it's not going to drag at all.
One of the artists people got surprised with is Shatta.
Yes.
I mean, when you announced, when the flag came out, we saw Shagzy as a part of it.
Yes.
People were like, hey, these two people, are they deliberately doing this or what? Because people have had the perception that, listen, these two guys are not in talking terms. They are not, even when it comes to business, they wouldn't see eye to eye and all that. But here's the case. He's not only on the bill, he's also supporting with his business.
Yes.
How did that come out? Who initiated that? Is it Nabil? Who actually worked on that?
The sponsorship bit.
Yes.
So myself and Shatta, we have a beautiful, interesting relationship. And it took us time to all understand that, okay, listen, we have different ideologies, but one thing that stands out is me and Shatta almost want the same thing every time. Shatta Piscapa, Missum Pedo. The Pisca or Pisca. We want the success of the industry. Yes, same thing. Free spirit, you know, same with me. That's how I am as a person. But we bump heads sometimes because of his execution.
Okay.
And same thing, my execution, he doesn't like it. And you have a lot of people, I just feel like it's human nature.
Yeah.
People are born naturally different. As much as we'll be any BB somewhere, because you wouldn't do that, you think the person is wrong. You know, that's been our biggest problem over the years. But when you speak to people, you realize you guys all love the same thing, just that the route to the place is where it's a bit different. So we got to a point like, listen, our brother, you know, and I know the way you feel about me and how I feel about you. So we cannot let, maybe if we don't understand something, that would be an issue. And Shatta gets these things, like, and he knows who he really wants to rock with.
Yeah.
He knows that Sark, even when people thought it was friction or all that, maybe there was. He used to tell Medical, Charlie, only Sark we are need for this squad inside. You know, Medical told me that as well. When I was shooting the video with Medical, I used to say that as all.
Entertainment, you know, a showbiz, a showmanship and business. If you understand the show, sometimes we create something to boost up a place. Imagine on the stage, Ghana, if you want to go to the next level, I'm giving you the scenario. Imagine on the stage, Blacko, Sark, Stonebwoy, Shatta on one stage doing the biggest show in Africa. Massive. To take Ghana to the next level. Sometimes what we see is not how it is. Yeah, said there's big, but what catch up they are cool. When it comes to entertainment, there should be a bit of rivalry so that everyone agree there. Bibi sana is here, but no one say Sark said he's receiving what massive support from Shatta, the most controversial musician in Ghana. Also, it is time to give back to the society. I'm talking about Sark. Also, the society has given him so much. It's time to give back. And it's a good team, right?
About to launch a new label. I've had a label assigned 2 artists. Big shouts to Aquaboy and Strongman, doing amazing. But we are
they still signed to your label?
No. Our contract ended. I think it was 2 years, 3 years.
Why didn't you renew it?
I like when. So my happiness is when people have independence, but then I was a kickstart for them, right? So Aquaboy, I knew exactly what Aquaboy was going to do. I knew Aquaboy was going to find a tailor-made fan base, and it's exactly what he achieved. Everything I told him is happening. Aquaboy has shows, and he sells out the shows. Aquaboy has a big mansion now. He has some brand new cars. These are things that when I look at myself, like, okay, this is something I saw, and it was able to come to pass. Strongman is doing amazing as well. So I want.
But I'm sure that you have seen those who have said that, you know, you could have done a lot more better for Strongman.
That is always going to be the conversation. That shouldn't bother you as an investor. That's where I want you to go past. These are fans and critics, and it shouldn't get to your head. The point is, what we wanted to achieve is to make these guys big stars, and they are. That's it. So the next phase, we are about to do that again. So our ears are on the ground looking for new talents. Kumasi, definitely, if we find somebody or some people that we think we can invest in, we will. And then it goes beyond just Accra and Kumasi, all other places. So we'll be doing a writing camp. We'll put out the information soon. Writing camp are best to spot out talent because there will be a lot of talent in one room, writing and singing. Then we'll pick from there. And also look out for people on social media that we can reach out to bring on board. So next phase of Sark is just to give back to the industry that made Sark. That's it.
Let's put our hands together for Sark. But don't go yet. I promise that we're going to...
Yes! Ukaya, Sark say, Strongman, and guy back, Aquaboy. Yes. In some memory by, but people don't know something. And then the Sark channel, that's the whole thing. Yeah, can be said. Music and our creative arts, you know, the most difficult thing to achieve is what we call recognition. Obia an underground musician for 20 years, Obia him no, Obo Mana we say na 1 year. Anya Crash Strongman before he came under Sark label, no, na perform na me say minim Strongman bia. Akọbọ na nim no ba na ye nim no say ye tie ni. And you say I target no set here no. It means that to put them out there for them to ride on, they've been able to do. So Sark is an independent artist. You can say independent artist on share level be asset. And that is his mentality, and that's what he believes in. And to unknown himself, me mouth stake now so we are. You need to do the climbing up yourself and then confront yourself. But I say, identify very, very good potential. My main feature will say is the same deal again. Ma ediano usom na wo ba obeja na wo awafro na wani ede that is so mix. Now Ghanaian musicians and our music world near for said they are demigods and now me a superhuman. One lady am me hune ne nufu me kwa wana because that's a credit. Me hune nufu pa ne to na say but God is good, man. Sefa give me fever. O guys hanyo no. Now Sena, a 20 asa bebrebe na Sefa is lonely Sefa, me producer say bra now say your dog dear everything. You want to Sefa bra?
What you guys usually see on TV is not. It's like 40%. It's really sad because when you find yourself in a space where you have so many eyes like on you, you can't like fully express yourself. Where you feel like you are being drained so much, but you're expected to give and give and give and give and give. And people don't realize that you're human too, you know? They expect you to just be happy. Because there's been so many times that it's like, I'm not even myself. I don't feel like singing, but I have to go and dance for people. I'll go on stage, go and dance for people. I'll go on stage, go and dance for people and come back home and be crying to my mom. Well, it's life, you can lose yourself, but you just have to make sure you don't stay there, because if you don't move, you're going to be stuck there, and that's one funny thing about life. But we are living on earth where it's like the physical present matters. So if there's a God and I am praying to God to help me and I'm doing the necessary things that needs to be done to get things to work out, why is it not working out, you know? And it's like sometimes you don't have anybody to talk to because it's like everybody expects you to be some sort of way. When you get too emotional, it's like you're losing yourself. But also when you don't get emotional, it's like you're not human. You're just cool with everything. So it's like, what are we supposed to do as human beings? Like, what are we supposed to follow? Like, where are the instructions? Like, can somebody make it like easier for everybody? Because it's not easy. And what you guys usually see on TV is not. It's like 40%.
Also, Sefa pa ne tune ne senior ne body ne ben no me so da. Ba hwe line na. Me producer asate o se o dogan bruta. Nti me ka kire no. Me wi am the number betuja. Na what me afre no. But mami ka be honest, more seriousness. What bang any superstar da? They are lonely inside. Michael Jackson, I see what we be Gina show so no trend sa na comfort TikTok no mo yes odufia no akosu. Because they are human. The way we see them, you see, creativity, and the way they are made your modernity, and my who said they are super human, but they are not. But no sooner, I am a mama. Sefa, don't you have a manager? This is the work of the manager. Because a manager is supposed to be your inner self. It means that niawukoma obia wutimi ka cheno ehona manager ni bem. It is our manager or manager partner or manager or to be console both spiritually and physically. And consolement, you know, yet to me kwa inside in a consolement. Now to be console. Now who saw screen so there, your manager has failed. Patroni manager papa abra, the producer manager or manager kama. Because at this time no on your beer, you put your shoulder on. And yes, Sefa artist nina. Enti and on here, friends are happy they are not coming around because of your fame. But you need somebody who is like a body. I'll bet you share the intimate moments with yourself, what you are going through. I'll be so a futu papa. And none of most of our artists are lacking. Niatu Sefa and yet extraordinary people go through. I Xposed GHFM Bembro Social Shame to man, I was like a man.